The lights came down in Dallas town, a nation held its breath. One final march in crimson red against the test of Spain. The captain wore the armband proud against the test of Spain. The captain wore the armband proud, the fire still burned inside. Every step was history, with Portugal by his side. 90 minutes, hope alive, every tackle, every stride. Millions dreaming one more time, one more miracle tonight. Oh, Cristiano, one last dance, you gave the world another chance. The scoreboard couldn't tell your story, it never measured all your glory. Though the final whistle broke our hearts, legends never truly part. From Madeira to the world so wide, you'll forever be our pride. The clock kept racing toward the end, the battle finally drawn. Then one late moment changed it all, as Spain found one last goal. Silence fell on Portugal, tears began to rise. Not because a dream had died, but because an era closed its eyes.
Dallas held its breath at night, red and green beneath the lights. 41, but still the name every child had on their frame. A child had on their frame. One more tunnel, one more roar, one more walk onto the floor. He kissed the badge before the start, carried a country's heart. Bruno searched between the lines, Neto flew down either side. Every cross was calling out, maybe this will be the one. Spain stood firm, they gave no space. The giant clock refused to wait. Football never bargains late, football never bargains late. Then the board showed 90, still no one believed goodbye. One more attack, one more chance, that's how legends stay alive. But 90 plus 1, the silence came. Marino wrote another name. The net would shake, the dream would fall. You could almost hear Portugal. Cristiano's tear, Portugal. Cristiano stared into the night, not angry, just holding tight. Some defeats don't need a sound. The loudest tears never hit the ground. The loudest toward the corner flag. No sprint toward the corner flag. No Sue beneath the flash. No little boy upon his shoulders waiting for another photo. Just one captain walking slow, knowing what the whole world knows. Some games finish 1-0, some moments never really will. From Moscow's pain to Qatar's tears, across World Cup's 20 years. Headers, rockets, penalty ice, getting up each time he fell twice. He didn't borrow Ball's crown, he built it brick by brick from town to town. Madeira's son with nothing owed still chose the hardest road. 90 plus 1, that's all cup book, no trophy waiting at the end. Just teammate stadium he'll leave behind, will echo louder over time. Some players finish with a win, some become the game they're in. When tomorrow's children ask, who made the impossible look normal? We'll smile and say, he wore number 7 and he never stopped believing.